Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Thanks for checking out Grilling and Chilling with Al. I'm outside today. I'm going to get my Blackstone. I've been doing some surface cleaning on it. Need to get it all cleaned up. We have a cook coming up tonight. We got some friends coming over, so tonight I'm going to make for them honey butter chicken thighs on the griddle with some massive vegetables, and we'll do some jasmine rice inside. And just, it's really a meal that you want to make when you are going to not have a lot of time to cook throughout the week. This is great leftovers, and so I think it'll be one that's really fun and easy for someone to try. So stay tuned. I'll go over the ingredients next and we'll get started. What you'll need for this cook is some green onions, soy sauce, black pepper, sea salt, honey, cornstarch, butter, some carrots, chicken thighs, peppers, broccoli, olive oil, and garlic powder. Let's get started with trimming up the chicken thigh. As you can see, I'm going to remove some of the fat off the chicken. Once that's done, I'll flip it over and clean the underside off, usually trying to get rid of any ligaments that might be laying around. Occasionally you'll find a little bit of a bone here and there. Just go ahead and trim it up to your liking, and then once that's done, then just make cube cuts into the chicken thigh. We're going to go ahead and start prepping the chicken, and so we're just going to add some soy sauce, just a couple tablespoons. There's quite a bit of chicken in here. There's 15 pieces, so I'm just eyeballing it, but I'm going to guess 2 tablespoons to start off with. Mix it up really well. I did add some seasonings to this, some sea salt, black pepper, and some onion powder, and I just drizzled it on. I didn't coat them too hard because I knew I was doing a lot of, going to be using soy sauce. So, okay. Now, we're just going to add, we'll start off with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Just a coat. If we need to add more, we will. Go ahead and give that a good mix. And we're wanting to coat the chicken. That's why we added the soy sauce to the chicken, because it'll help coat it. And just continue to mix it until most of the, or all of the cornstarch is mixed in well. You can also, if you like, you can do a combo of flour and cornstarch. The original recipe I saw calls for flour, but I like cornstarch. I think it just helps with the cooking process and the presentation better. So we will give this a little bit more of a stir, and then Once everything is done, and the guests start arriving, then we'll get everything started. So see you back at the griddle here in a little bit. All right. Griddle's almost ready to go. It should be noted that I had a subscriber, a friend of mine from the west side of the state, name's Joe, said that I don't have adult beverages in my videos. So Joe, here you go. Here's a little whiskey Pendleton with some Sprite. So this is for you and this cook. Cheers, everyone. Let's get started. Okay, we're right there, 400. We're gonna go ahead and get started. We're gonna lay down a pretty good layer of oil to get started with, because it's gonna really get soaked up from the cornstarch. We're gonna get this going. We'll get it spread out. And let this chicken go for about 6 minutes on each side. So I'll get this spread out and then we'll get to going. Once I flip the chicken, then I'm gonna start the vegetables. See you here in about 6 minutes. So now we're going to go ahead and start with some carrots. We're going to lay down a little bit of oil. I also have some butter and garlic salt that I mixed in to help cook the carrots and give it some flavor. Carrots tend to take a little bit longer than your other vegetables, so we'll start there first. Get them down and let them go through their cooking process. Once again, I'll lay some oil down and I'm going to start the rest of the vegetables. The peppers and onions are all cut up. There's my friend Braden out here to make sure I'm doing a good job. Now I've added the broccoli, and look at that color. It's easy to cook. Throw a little bit of oil down, add some water, and it'll steam up and dome it. It won't take long and you'll get that bright green look. You can also see that I started to melt my butter for the next step of this cook in making the sauce. Once your butter's melted, go ahead and start adding your 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. You'll need 1/3 cup honey and salt and pepper to taste. Go ahead and mix and then let this simmer for a little bit before you drizzle it over your chicken and veggies. I took the honey butter sauce and drizzled it over the chicken and veggies and then continuously let it mix for about 3 to 5 minutes. You can see the sauce will bubble up. That's okay. Just keep mixing and it will not be disappointed. All right, everyone's plated up. Got the honey butter chicken on their plates. Let's do a taste test. Tell me what you think.
It's so soft and moist.
Yeah, the veggies are cooked perfect.
Right
Good
on.
flavor.
Right on.
I've never had this soft chicken before.
Nice.
I'm a fan. So colorful. Great presentation.
All right. Well, perfect. Well, tonight was a success. So what can I say? Everybody walked away with full stomachs, second helpings. It went down great. Want to thank my guests tonight, Jen, Shelby, and Braden, for hanging out with my wife and I tonight here at the Grill and Chillin' House. And thank you for watching the channel and subscribing. If you haven't, this is your first time, hit that notification bell. Don't forget to also hit like and share and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys again. As I always say, let me do the grilling and you do the chilling, and I'll see you real soon.